must hold on to the peace that God has given you in this nation. Nigeria is the worst nation. I am saying it because I know what I'm saying. When you appoint a leader that is dull, everybody in that nation will look as if they are dull. But Nigerians are brilliant people. In all the university in America, Nigeria, they are top-notch. In all the university in America, Nigeria, they are top-notch. But their leader, they are dull. No brain of businesses. No brain of future. No brain of infrastructure. No brain of raising people. But they have only brain to steal money. And that's why you see Nigerians everywhere and nobody wants to see green passport again. And that's why you see Nigerians everywhere and nobody wants to see green passport again. I pray one day that the whole nation will say they don't want Nigeria again. You know why? That prayer God will answer it so that Nigerians will go back home. Necessity is the mother of invention. So that they would
my people, everything with that pastor talk, not true. Very 100% accurate. For example, make I shock you. Do you know that in this UK, you cannot visit a hospital in this UK where you know go see one Nigerian medical doctor and many nurses away from Nigeria in that hospital? It go hard. Now them full here. And they are all in good position. They are very high value doctors and nurses here from Nigeria. Now them they run most of the procedure where the same government they run can't do here. You see as Buhari and the Tinubu them they come London every time, can't do medical checkup, do medical treatment. Now see Nigerian doctors and nurses and physicians and surgeons, now them they attend to them. They go still see the capability of these same people. They don't go say, okay, may we go house, go build better hospital, may these people, may we utilize them. We can even use and make money. Because as India be now, one of their major source of income is say people they come there from other countries come do medical procedures. They are making money from it. Now we have as in arguably some best medical doctors in the world we are producing, but we cannot boast of as in anything about medical practices in Nigeria. These people prefer the way that they travel, come abroad here, fly in, fly out, come do medical checkup, go back, take treatment, go back. Because they tell like say, yes, let's show them that we are superior to them. Let's show them that we are rich, we are big. That is why. If not, why stress yourself? Travel from Nigeria, come London, come treat malaria. Where we say the some doctors where they come meet for London are Nigerians. You see this UK now, where they in trouble for UK here because of kidney issue where in daughter get. The doctors will go operate that gear last. You go see one or two Nigerians go follow. Either as the doctors, the surgeons, or the nurses, or whatever. Nigerians will be there. But yet, he was senator for good how many years? If you check in village, no hospital. Let me tell you one story. I met one medical doctor. Yeah, I went to hospital for checkup. The GP I was meant to see. When I heard the guy accent, despite being a black guy, his accent was, as in, you go to say this one, as in one British, he swallow him. But when this man can't read my file, can't see Igbo surname, he just look me, smile. He said, nah, kekwano. As in, the way he takes switch immediately to Igbo. Come and say, boss, so you can speak Igbo like this. He say, I ask him one question, I say, boss, do you ever miss home? He say, every day. Say, but waiting they fear him now. Insecurity. Say, but not only insecurity they fear him. Say, even security they fear him. Because you go fear bad people, you go still fear people who will protect you. So this is why all of us we should try get it right this time. He say Kumasi, Abaye say, Omunkwa ne say, Obman ye develop more na other regions na aka no. Ye you mfrim make obatiase. And the entire machine Mahama Majene born, and he said, Omampanim Mahama Emribi Chum Kudina Kumasi. Main Cassan, the same me, Yenki Asante region free because the Intermega Asante Fono, Bebreo Eastern region, Bebreo all over the regions, you know. Omudie, minim say, ana nya santifo nyina so na won tia meka sase mu nya afaso bi enfire so because obu on ma ne ba school fee education no nko ano wonye sika aka de bo no ho ban no ayi na ni so enye obi na ye ungrateful no enye santifo nyina ene ye ungrateful na emum kumase per se no kumase sese no ene ye problem ana kumase nso no nye asantifo nko na ti kumase kru no enya asantifo nko na ti ho de ntia meka sa ne se ye wo tribe bie bi wo kumase se de bi won kan no se de bi wo kofodua tribe bie bi wo kumase nti kumase fo se omunya mpuntuo omunhu bibie mfra ban no sa no mpaso mo kire na de ntia mesi ma hama magine bo na de o kai nai no kra ne se okogina kumase e kan se sa krofo we kumasifo yi omwo haidie sebe so de asphalt o de gold eye asphalt kura ma omo a omo nkai omu nyiwaye nti ono no wa man na manfo ye no na nra metete ho a mehwe osechi mensa bonsu ne videos na eko viral na manfo na metrasa na mesese na busa mo se kumase pa nie senyen krofobi ana akofrem no mu di a 3 years ade afa na mum se kumase dia kumase minim dia ene de mahama kai na ne nkure nkasa asantifo me se kumase o se kumase dia se wode gold kura asphalt a omunyi waye enti oto na dwem nkure papa ni bonie ahama baje obo o se mense bonsu ene obato obo because me hwe kumase per se international airport na eku kumase no ka metimi aka se nye kumase na nka ese me se me kan kura ba aja ye hu se ho na ye headquarters wonti no se ye omo no mto aba the whole Ghana omo kwa na to aba enti emfa nko honti na ye second African the biggest market in Africa. And kamimi mua kanya ho na wo se eko. Na enso ye se ho na ye gato. Nti ho na ye de eko. Yo. Hwe akwan num ne ade. Omampani Akufo Addo yere. Enkran ho, Kofodua ho, Takrade ho, Bruno Hafu ho, we nya ba bia nkosi maternity ward se Kumasi. Yo. Ya jetum. Ba ni nyina mu no. Kumasifo ya sa epia bontin muntie twi na make ni ye menka sa santifo because santifo no omu de 98% no omu de omani eda ho no munim de aban na ye no omu ye grateful omu ye ungrateful no eye kumasifo na kumasi no nso no ye say de obi a bi na no si kumasi nya impuntu omu nka sa santifo ntina me tumi gina se me gina so se kumasi no so omu ka sa santifo nya impuntu odi anka meba santifo so but o si kumasifo nya mpuntu obi enfra ban no ho ntimi se kumasi nko a na eni mpuntu na me pese kumasifo no eba since Lawrence time ebesi sabere se omampani bempa